Versace Barbie back with another video, and this video is going to consist of a makeup tutorial. And this is going to be very basic. I am not the best person to do makeup. I am not the best person makeup person doer or best beating of the face doer. I just do what's best for me and what I like at the moment. I am still learning, and if you guys see like some stuff that I can do better on, please comment down below. Please, can y'all please comment, because I'm not getting any feedback from you guys, and I would just love some feedback from you all. So yes, so we're gonna get right into this video. I don't want to hold you and waste your time, because your time is very precious. So yes, so everything I will be using in this video will be Fenty product. In the last video, my last makeup tutorial was trash to me. I really didn't really like it, but if you want to go back and watch it, you can. I'm going to keep on showing you my improvement as I learn new things and new stuff or whatever. So yeah, so everything I'll be using is basically Fenty products and maybe some beauty supply drugstore stuff as well. So we're going to get right into this video. All right, so I am back. I just did my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is like brush them out on camera. And start putting on my foundation. I'm not going to talk to y'all too much, so I can speed it up just a little bit so I won't waste all y'all time, because I do know y'all time is very precious, and you know, time is money and money is time. So this is my finished basic makeup. Sorry, I got my fingers on the camera. This is my final makeup look for the tutorial or whatever. And I'm just gonna flatten my hair a little bit. That's about it. It be giving stiff when I flatten this little wig from off Amazon, baby. I need to upgrade. Okay, honey. But anyways, yeah. So this is my final look or whatever. I definitely don't play when it comes to the look at that, y'all. I just be looking stiff. I definitely don't play when it comes to the eyebrows and the eyelashes because it's really hard to try to put on. So I do have to pay attention and look at what I'm doing so I can put them on properly, because I do hate them all the way in the creases of my eyes right here. And then yeah, so I don't like the, you know, have it look built up or caked up or anything with the glue or whatever. And yeah, so this is my final look or whatever, y'all. I don't got no filter on my camera or nothing like that. So this is like giving the final look or whatever. Do anybody else nose run after they do their makeup? That's like so weird to me. I don't know what that's about, but like my nose run every time I do my makeup. But yes, this is the finished product of my hair. And then like I'm gonna give y'all the clip right here of how I look on Snapchat when I have my filters did, my filter on, when I got like a little nice makeup set. Not trying to fool you, I'm just letting y'all know how I look with the filter and without a filter or whatever. And I feel like I be doubleum.com, okay? You can't tell me nothing. Alright. So yeah, this is my finished look. Very basic, not doing way too much. You can wear this kind of look to work, out like to business places or whatever, not just going out. So this is like my final look. Oh, it's trying to play with me in my neck. Now if y'all want to see me install my wigs, I know they ain't the very best, but if you feel like this wig is giving and I put it on decently, I didn't even do no baby hairs with this. Normally I do baby hairs, but if y'all feel like it's giving or whatever, then y'all can, I'm gonna do a wig tutorial with y'all, because I'm coming for everything in this year or whatever, because I feel like I need to do more. So yeah, so this is the end of this video. I didn't try not to make it super duper long for y'all, because I know y'all don't like videos to be extremely long for me to waste y'all's time. And as y'all can see, I am pretty much still wasting y'all's time. I'm so sorry, but yes, y'all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe. Look, I'm feeling myself. Anyways, subscribe if you're new to this channel. If you are Barbs and Ken gang, hey, how y'all doing? What's up? Hope y'all like this video. Y'all approve. Comment down below what y'all feel like I could do better on. If y'all want a wig tutorial, let me know. I would definitely I know y'all like, stop touching your hair, but I just like it to be flat, y'all. I be, you know, it's that one little, but anyways, if y'all like, you know, this video and you guys see that I need to improve on something or make something better, then let me know. I would definitely try to make some improvements to my makeup and to my wig or whatever you feel is y'all helping me on. Thank you so much. And subscribe. You are the real GOAT. You are the real MVP. Zeusy.